Bring exceptional sound to any room with the new Sony Premium Portable Speaker Dock. This dynamic speaker system with touch-sensitive controls puts phenomenal sound in a sleek package for your iPod or iPhone. Designed to deliver an amazing listening experience, this premium dock features 40 watts of power and 5 distinct sound modes, so you can personalize your listening experience. When you're ready to give your iPod a break, use the built-in FM radio tuner and program up to 20 of your favorite stations. When not in use, the flip-down tray can be closed, creating a cleaner look and making it safer to transport. Have more music sources than just your iPod or iPhone? Use the auxiliary audio input to connect other audio devices and enjoy rich Sony sound. The Sony Premium Portable Speaker Dock brings you unparalleled sound in a stylish, compact package.